Data labels are notorious for disappearing on charts, especially when adjustments are made to more complex visuals. Once removed, they can be surprisingly difficult to restore. In this example, a stacked column chart built using a Macabacus quick chart is shown. If the data labels are removed by unticking them under chart elements, the label toggles, normally available in the quick chart interface, will no longer function. Restoring those data labels manually using Excel's built-in tools can be unreliable. This is where Macabacus provides a more dependable solution. With the chart selected, navigate to the Charts drop-down, then choose Replace Missing Data Labels. Options are available for restoring both data labels and axis labels, especially helpful when working with charts that include a secondary Y or X axis, where one set of labels may disappear. In this case, the Data Labels function is selected. Macabacus automatically restores the missing labels. A bit of formatting can help make the labels more legible. For example, changing the font color of the first two series to white ensures sufficient contrast with the fill colors. It may also be noticed that the stack totals are not centered. This can be quickly resolved using the Move Data Labels feature. In the dialog box, set the position to centered, then select the total series, representing the stack totals, and adjust the position to above. This places the totals clearly above each stack. If needed, they can be moved slightly downward to sit closer to the top of each bar for a more polished look. After closing the dialog, the totals can be bolded for greater emphasis. Macabacus has now restored and properly formatted the data labels, quickly, efficiently, and without the need for time-consuming manual edits. Thank you for watching. Visit Macabacus.com to learn more about why Macabacus is the leading productivity and brand compliance add-in for finance professionals and their firms.